Hey, what's up? How would you like to make $150 to $300 right here on YouTube? Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money on YouTube platform. You're not going to need a camera for this. I'm going to show you how to set it up where you can put videos together and start earning that money. And all you got to do is copy and paste videos. Now, we're going to tap into a niche right now that is hot, it's trending, and a lot of people are using it. So I want you to watch this video all the way to the end. Don't try to skip ahead. I'm going to give you the full tutorial. I'm going to give you the step-by-step of how to set everything up. So don't try to skip ahead and try to miss out. Even if you don't have a laptop, I'm going to show you and I'm going to give you a few different apps that you can use to do the editing of the videos. So you're going to copy and paste these videos right here on YouTube. And this is not YouTube videos. These are going to be, hey, what's up? If this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, I want to say welcome. Let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. And for the people who consistently watch my videos over and over again, I appreciate you. So let me know that you've watched this video and just watch it to the end. So just make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone, because I know somebody out there, this video is going to benefit them and it can help them make some money online. So as I mentioned, you don't need to make videos. You don't need to put your face on videos. You can also use your phone. And if you have a laptop, that's even better. So let's jump right into it. Now, most of you probably know by now that TikTok is one of the hottest things right now. We're going to copy and paste TikTok videos and we're going to use them to make money. Now, I'm going to show you where to download them, how to find them, what's the downloader you're supposed to use, how you're going to compile them together and make money. So I type in TikTok, one of the hottest wave at the moment that everybody is, they download in the app. It's the #1 app right now here in America, and I'm sure it's going to be the #1 app in the world based on the trend. It's been going up and it's not stopping because people are home now during the pandemic. All they want to do is just make them laugh, and it's not only just dancing videos. It's not only um, funny videos. There's also business on there. And if you want to create a business account and you want to do that too, feel free, because there's a lot of people generating leads, sales, and making a ton of money on TikTok right now. So yes, TikTok is hot. And if you want to learn more about TikTok, I'm going to leave a link in the description. If you want to sign up for the training, you can learn a ton of stuff through the TikTok challenge, and it's only $1. So it's only $1. If you want to sign up for it, go for it. And if not, totally understand. So let's dive into the video. We're going to copy and paste TikTok videos, and we're going to be earning 150 to $300 per day. So here, I type in TikTok. There's tons of videos that's already created. So if you look here, these are the type of videos. I'm just going to mute it. There's dancing, people are uploading. This is best of TikTok. This account is brand new. They have 1,000 subscribers already, and they just started. They recently just started already doing 1,000 subscribers. Now I'm gonna go back here, and let's go with this TikTok that will help you bring back your humor, right? So I checked out this particular channel, Wi-Fi plug. They just started this and they had over 157,000 subscribers already. So if I click on select channel, you could see that this channel is averaging anywhere from like 7,000 to 111,000 per year. That's a lot of money. Like yearly, they're killing it. They're a B plus within the TikTok niche. And if you look over here, you see every day they're making $195 to $3,000 daily. So this is estimated. It could be more because this is always slightly off. And if they also have affiliates with different brands under their TikTok videos, then they're also going to make money as well. So look at this. tons of money that this channel is making. So this is nice. You can make, 150 to $300 every single day, just copy and paste. So we want to find trending videos. So we're going to head on over to TikTok, right? Just go to tiktok.com and we're going to be finding videos that are trending. You can go and you could download this. This is like Kevin Hart. You can find trending. You could discover videos if you want. So you can click on the discover, and then there's lots of videos to choose from, like moms of TikTok. There's over 3.3 billion views already. People just watching mom. So you could just download if you want to just build a mom channel, go for it. If you want to build a human channel, party girl channel, it's a remix channel, music partners. If you want to make it funny, Travis Scott, just go through. Now, once you find the videos that you want to promote. Now, the next thing you want to do is we need to download these videos. So if you're on a Mac, if you're on a PC, just go to download TikTok videos. Just go to ttdownloader.com. So downloader, I can't even say downloader.com. So for example, if I click on this particular video, right? And all I need to do is just grab the URL for this particular video, right? You just grab the URL of this particular video. Make sure you're logged in. You also want to have an account in order for you to copy like the URL from the specific video, right? I was just, right? These are great videos that you can download. So just download them and keep them. You can click on the James Bond Foundation. So far, they have over 2,800 people, and it's all celebrities just, talking, posting stuff. So maybe we could just copy this, copy the URL, head on over to the TikTok downloader, get the video, and this is saying there's an issue. So I have to log into my TikTok in order for me to download it. So all you got to do is just log in. You can log in from your computer. So give me 1 second. Let me just log in. Yeah, so once you log in and you download your TikTok video, whichever one you want to download, there's a few different places that you can start to compile them together where you can make it a little bit longer. So here's the first one. You can use OpenShot. So you can use OpenShot if you want. If you have a Mac, you can use like iMovie. Now, if you have no computer and you want to do it on your phone, I'm gonna give you two places or two apps that you can download on your phone where you can compile them together. And also, if you got your phone and you sign up for the TikTok, what you could do, you could just hold down, like just use your thumb, hold on to the video, and then it will just pop up where it says save video, and you could just save it on there, and you could just rip the videos, and then you could just compile them together using the two apps that I'm gonna share with you. So keep watching the videos, and we're gonna get to that. Now for the InShot, I'm gonna be using that because I already downloaded the video. So let's get to it right now. So I already uploaded the video. All you got to do is just grab the video, put it here. This is an iMovie. If you got an iMovie, if you have a Mac iMovie, you could just compile the videos together. So this is the first one. You can put one right here. So do keep in mind that these videos, they're like 12 seconds long. Some are like a minute. Some are 15 seconds, 18 seconds. So you're gonna need all the videos. So just get a bunch of videos. And you want to make them at least, I would say 10, 15 minutes. Make them long. Just keep stretching them out. And you don't have to add any music to it because people want to listen to what these videos are saying in the first place. They want to watch the dancing videos. They want to watch the funny videos. And it goes on and on and on. So if you can make them, 15, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, don't make them too long. If you want to make them 20 minutes, it's all up to you. If you want to use 20 minute and split it in 10-10, even better. So that way you have more content to upload. And all you have to do is just be very aggressive by uploading the videos on a YouTube channel. And I'm going to share with you how you could do that. All right. So now you put it all together. You can add text to it if you want and make it all jazzy, right? So once you put the video together and you're ready to upload, all you have to do is just click on where it says upload video right here. Click on it. And it's going to take you in here into the dashboard. So you're just going to grab the YouTube video. You're going to put it right here. Make sure you put a headline, very catchy headline. In the description, you want to also add the description. And then you can, upload it. Make sure you put some tags as well. So tags are super, super important. You can put the tags. And then once you put the tags in there, then again, upload it. And just make a very catchy thumbnail. You can go on over to canva.com to make thumbnails. So you can use Canva and you can create thumbnails by just going to here and you type in YouTube, YouTube thumbnail. So you type in YouTube thumbnail, they'll give you the exact one. So there's some free ones, there's some paid ones. If you look here, you'll see free. If you hover, you'll see free. If you don't see free, you gotta pay for it. So the free ones you can always use, and you could just click on it, or you can start with a blank one. And all you have to do is just create your thumbnail. Create your thumbnail just by adding some text to it, right? You can add text. You can put compilation, compilation. What? Oh man. Where's the spelling going? Compilation. There is compilation, right? Yeah. So you could type it in. TikTok, you can make it all jazzy. Find catchy thumbnails. When you find catchy thumbnails, you put it up there, then you can, it'll be very attractive. So for those of you who have a phone, right? The first one you can use if you have an Apple phone, InShot is a very good app that you can use. So you could download it, very easy. You could just put them all together. And that's the thing, you don't need to put any fancy editing. Just add them all together, let them run, make it nice transition, and then you're good. And then if you have Android, you want to use this one that's called Filmora. Filmora Go, right here. Filmora Go, you could use that. And you can edit your videos and you just put it up. So if you even want to make more money, you could go and sign up for, make sure you sign up for ClickBank. Make sure you go to Google AdSense, right? Because once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000, so 1,000 subscriber, 4,000 watch time. Once you have that, then you're good to go. All right, so you can set it up and just make sure you go to AdSense, right? Google AdSense. Just go and sign up for it. So that way you're ready to go. So there it is, Google AdSense. You can earn money from website monetization, and that's how you make money from YouTube. So again, $150 to $300 per day. Just set it up. Of course, it's not gonna happen like right away, but if consistently posting, I can tell you by this year, you're gonna be making a consistent residual income from your YouTube channel and from the affiliate stuff that you promote under your channel as well. So you can make tons of money just by doing that. Hope this video helps. I just wanted to go through. If you haven't liked, subscribe to this YouTube channel, make sure you do that. So that was everything you need to know, right? How to copy and paste TikTok videos and earn $150 to $300 online. All right. Catch you on the next one. My name is Andre. And if you're looking for that TikTok training, check out the link in the description where you can learn more how you can, make more money and have a much more better life. So That's my number one recommendation, is to check out the, the $1 TikTok challenge. If it's something that you like, great. And if you don't, hey, I wish you nothing but the best. So I'll catch you on the next video. My name is Andre. Peace.